Hello again. I've got this diesel heater out of my campervan. It's a 5 kilowatt Chinese diesel heater. I think I paid something like 60 quid for this. It's been in my van about 3 years. I'm going to strip it down, make sure it's clean, give it a bit of a service. So, on the intake end, cap unscrews, cover comes off, release the grommet, wiring, and that's the case off. So, Allen key for this. So 3mm Allen key for the screw that holds the ECU on. Clipped in at this end. One, two, and 3 connectors. That's the control board. So that'll be a temp sensor, glow plug, and motor. So then we've got 4 Allen key bolts. And they are 4mm. So there we have the fan. Let's rip the gasket, which I didn't really want to do. I haven't got a new one. And that is the burner. Fuel comes in through this pipe into there. Glow plug heats it. Fire happens. Take these 4 Allen bolts out in here to get the burner out. These are also 4mm. You have to take the glow plug out as well. There's 12mm for the glow plug, of course. That's the glow plug. That's what heats up and ignites the fuel. Pull the burner out. And there's the burner tube. And if you look inside the combustion chamber, that is surprisingly clean. That's a good sign. These Chinese diesel heaters are known for carboning. Build up of carbon in here and blocking up. But to say that's been used for what, 3.5 years is pretty damn clean, that. So that's a combustion chamber of a Chinese diesel heater that's been used for 3.5 years. Same with the burner. There's a fan, a case on the control board. That's really clean. I'm surprised. So I'll give it a quick clean up, get some new gaskets and rebuild it.